In this lesson, we're going to learn Rmdir command. Rmdir means remove directory. In Unix-like operating system, Rmdir command removes an empty directories from a file system. Rmdir command removes each directory if they are empty. If not, Rmdir won't remove it. Let's create a new folder and try to remove it. mkdir -v test A, hit an enter, then ls. It's done. We created test A folder, which is empty folder. Type in rmdir means remove directory and test A, then ls. It's gone. Test A folder gone. We can use -vmp means variables and parent with rmdir command, as well as we use with mkdir command. So let's make a new directory. mkdir -variables parent test A, test B, test C, hit an enter, then ls, and we have test A folder again, and going to files. Here is test A, test B, test C. Now removing it by typing rmdir -vp test A. As you see, it says failed to remove test A because the directory is not empty. Our graphical user interface, we can see test B inside of test A and test C inside of test B, means test A is not empty. Like I showed you, there's test B inside of test A and test C inside of test B. The one way we can only remove parent and subdirectories. Type in rmdir -vp. Let's type it. Test A, test B, and test C. Hit an enter. As you see, display the message remove a directory. Then ls, it's gone. We don't have any test A folder. Like mkdir and touch command, also with rmdir command, we can remove other directories from current directory. Type in cd / go into root directory, then mkdir -vp home model test A, test B, test C, here in enter, then ls, home. Here is our test A folder created again from root directory. And now I'm going to remove it with the same path. rmdir -vp home test A, test B, test C, and let us check it. It's gone. Test A folder gone. Here it says failed to remove directory home model permissions denied, because we don't have any privileges to remove this directory. So this is the end of our lesson. See you next lesson. Bye.